Okay, hi guys. So I'm live together. So I'm like when I see someone's car, let me see. Okay, guys, this car is like open, so it's like this car. So let's drive. I hope they don't take the car away from me, please. Someone is like in the car. So who are you? What? Okay, guys, let's drive. Like I need. Oh, guys, I feel. Like I don't like the fall, guys, cause look how I drive like that. I didn't want to take the car away because I like it. I never had a Lamborghini like something like this, but I like to steal the cars, guys. Oh no, they took the car away, guys. So what am I going to do? Okay, let's look for another car I can steal. Okay, guys, never mind. I won't steal again. I want to like be friends.